Market daily visualization for May 20th, 2026, Kennett Tortoise Capital. Start with adjusting the daily price, adjusting the green zone and the red zone. Adjusting price. Five-day look back. 10-day look back. Day low. Low line. Starts flip. Temporary regression line adjusts. The 30 SMA adjusts. The day adjusts. 20 period lagged regression slides up. The 30-day range adjusts. 270-day range adjusts 1 day to the right. That's about right. Holding strong, lots of support right here. Just not failing.